And I remember thinking to myself, man, if I write down my goals and I look at it once in a year and I get about 50% done, what would happen if I made this a part of my life? And so that's when all the gears locked from all the classes, the Nightingale Conan, the Tony Robbins, of really starting to write goals. And that was when I began to write down a very thorough set of goals. Now, over the years, since 1994, what's that, 26 years now, I've deepened the process. I've added what I call the 8 gardens of life, which are the 8 different areas that I choose to set goals in. Keep in mind, it's just a made up map. You could make up your own gardens. It could be 3 gardens. It could be 10 gardens. For me, it's 8 gardens of life, and I set about 10 goals in every area. So I have about 80 goals that I set every year, and over the years, I've had bad years early on where I might have hit 25, 30% of my goals, but I've probably ramped it up now to where I hit 80 to 90% of my goals. Now think about that. Think about this idea, Jamie, that if you could write down 80 things and accomplish 72 of them, and they could be anything.
I'd be happy.
It's like having a magic lamp that you can rub and the Aladdin pops out and says, I'll give you 80 wishes. Yeah. Now, they're not like, give me $1 million cash right now in my hand. They're outcome-focused goals. But I've gotten so good at it, and it's really enriched my life in a magnificent way. And I always remember the quote, I don't know if it's true or not, but I've heard it, you've probably all heard it before, 95% of people don't set goals. So 5% of people actually set goals on a regular basis, but 95% of millionaires set goals. So just think about the correlation. Even if it's not exactly true, if it's close, just think about that correlation. Which one do you want to be?